Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning Stitchy, welcome back. I hope if you are new that you will like what you see and subscribe. We are in the middle of doing Advent and Vlogmas. And if you guys could leave a thumbie and a comment, it really helps the channel out. Even if the comment is just an emoji, it really helps. Okay, so this probably has to be my favorite one thus far. This is so pretty. It's a little darker in real life, but it's like peach, light peach, and then like a watermelon color. And this is very like spring. It's got like baby pink, blue, green, a little bit of peach. Yeah, okay, so that's one. That's this one. So on to Big Advent. This is day 22 of the mini Advent. While you're watching, if you wouldn't mind leaving a thumbie and a comment, even if it's an emoji, it really helps the channel out. Okay, so we have another one of the pink and blue with a little Scotia purple in there. And then we have another one of these. It looks like the sea glass, but with a little bit of purple in it. So it's the blues and greens, like bottle green, light green, like a turquoise, and then some royal sort of purple in there. Or violet, actually. It's probably violet. Okay, on to Big Advent. It's that time of day. Advent. Alright. Yes. Come here. Come here, come say hi. Come over here. Kiss. Come here, come say hi. You guys never get to see her. Kiss. Up, 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 up. Good girl. You want to help?
Is there a toy for me in there?
Hi, Colby. Hi, Gizmo. Okay, let's see what's in here, shall we?
Ooh, it's always fun for me too, because I don't know what it is either.
Here.
It's been so long.
I was nosing it in. Nosing it. I don't want to accidentally black her.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Oh, man, my arm.
So, forever ago, I got you some woolies as well, in case you want to do something with you. It's got a rainbow foil sparkle thingy through it.
I see that.
Like a pastel rainbow.
Giz.
I thought that if you wanted to do something with it or had an idea for a project that it could go well with something else. It was definitely something I did not think would be by itself.
So I was asking this the other day if you guys thought that one of these would be enough for a hat. According to this little chart under here, it is. I just saw that. It says 1 for a hat, 2 for a scarf, 7 for a sweater. Excuse me.
Oh, you can make a black and white sweater
Gizmo's
with
eating his way to it. So yeah, this is white with a rainbow like stellina through it.
It's called Celebration.
Celebration. Alright.
Can you get your toy out of there?
So there are 3 of those.
Oh, and I love these ones.
Let's see, I can't see.
I love these ones.
I'm laughing because literally when we were at Joann's and we kept pointing out different yarns, and then we went to Hobby Lobby pointing out yarns, all those yarns that I was like, yeah, that's like Caron Simply Soft. I hate that stuff. This is Caron Simply Soft, basically.
I know.
So this is Yarn Bee Glowing. I'm not a brat, okay? Yarn Bee Glowing Sienna Sunflower, 4 ounces, 198 yards. I'm assuming this is... Okay, so it's 60 acrylic, 40 polyester. It is a worsted weight. There you go. And it's like... It's kind of like puzzle yarn. but it has the Caron Simply Soft sheen and splitting nightmare to it. Yeah, so
I got enough for you to make me something.
there is that. You gonna store all of this, all of these yarns you got for my presents to make you things up in your room?
Sure.
Because they're not going. Wait, was this already in there?
No,
or she dropped that in
yes.
there? Kiss. Crystal, was you given a present? You'll go catch it? Are you ready? She's so cute. I sent one of her toys to one of you. I don't remember who it is. If it was you, comment below because I can't remember. But somebody got, oh my gosh, somebody got a toy in their box because she went and put one of her toys in the box. It was so sweet. She's so sharing and giving. It was, thank God they were good-natured about it, but yeah, she shared one of her squeaky toys with somebody.
And everybody comment below telling Thryss that this yarn would make pretty stuff.
I'm not saying it wouldn't.
What would you make with it?
I'm not saying that it wouldn't.
Good shawl. I mean, I don't want a shawl for me personally.
Well, I'm not wearing this.
I think you would look good in it.
I appreciate it.
Comment below if you think Thryss would look good in it.
Since he loves it so much, we'll make him a scarf with it.
Yeah, I'll take those out of it. Those are totally my color.
Okay.
Oh wait, does it have a splash of green in it too?
Yes,
It's
it
the
does.
thing that I like to have.
It has
a splash of green.
It has it actually has 3 different kinds of green. It has maroon and green here. It has Christmas red and green here. And then it has berry and green here. So it has quite a bit of green. These are 100% his colors. Which is why I think he should have something made out of it. I think he should pick up a crochet hook and learn how to crochet him something out of it.
Why? I have a crochet goddess here.
I mean, Merry Christmas. Call me goddess all day long. Bye, guys.
Colors that were like elegant, maybe you would.
Maybe if I ever got out of the house where I had a reason to dress elegant, I would.
Ooh, we just left the house today.
We're recording this whole conversation.
Good.
Oh, very elegant.
I know.
Little Caesars.
It was quite classy. We even got a classic to tell you how classy it was.
Go away. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying. I'm leaving the little sassy bits in there. I just think they're funny. I don't know. It's how he and I play with one another. We're just sassy and sarcastic, and it's just how we are. But I also wanted to say, with the Advent, he got everything based off of, content, not necessarily like gifts that I would, maybe want to keep or whatever. But it is his style to get like gag gifts, things he knows I'm not going to like on the way to the big gift. And that's the way he always does. I knew that was probably going to be a thing that he did. But the whole point was for content. So some of it could, maybe be for a funny reaction or something like that. But I'm so grateful for everything that he is doing during this whole thing. And yeah, join us Monday. I'm not sure what time, but Monday on Christmas Day, we're going to go live. So that people have a place to go if they don't have anybody to hang out with. And I will open the big, huge Christmas box that he has for me that is supposed to be gag gift free. So we shall see. But yeah, I think he'll look really cute in that glowing. And if you love Caron Simply Soft and yarns like it, power to ya. It's not my cup of tea, but I'm not coming after anybody who does like them. It's just that it's not my particular cup of tea. But, we all have different tastes, and it would be boring if we all like the same thing. And I'm a unique little oddball. So I'm probably hanging out in the wind on my own on that one. It's a popular yarn they've kept around for a really long time. Even though they'll let go of some really, really, really good yarns that just still baffles me to this day. But anyway, okay, bye. Okay, it is that time of day. Advent. All right. Okay, I don't know how to put these together, but I think they would maybe look cool together. So
that's actually what I put. I put that together on purpose.
Facets. This is in a previous video.
There were other facets that you could
Two
use this
previous
with as well.
videos.
Yes, this is the third time I used that.
So this could either go with the baby blue and gray facet that I already have, or it could go with this. So this one is, what is this one called? Fire or Flame? This one's called Flame. So I really like this one. And then this one is called Silver. And these could look good together, or this could go with the blue and gray. Oh no, it can't, because the blue and gray is sparkle and these aren't sparkle. So I guess it couldn't go with that. I mean, I guess it could and just not sparkle. That would be okay. But that would be a lot of gray. So it should probably stick with this. So there are 3 of the gray and 4 of the flame. These are 100% acrylic and 279 yards each. So 7. I mean, that's definitely enough to do some damage for sure. I could do like a poncho. I don't know if I have enough to do a sweater, a cardigan out of it, but I could certainly do like a poncho. Pretty. So that is this advent.